Today I will show you how to add withdrawal address on Kraken, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log in to your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, we're going to navigate to the right of the screen where it says transfer, and we're going to click on transfer. Now it's going to open a smaller dialog box, and we're going to choose withdraw from there. Now once we click on withdraw, it's going to open a dialog box that's going to show us options that we can withdraw. Now, what we want to withdraw that requires an address is a cryptocurrency, and we're gonna choose the cryptocurrency that we want to withdraw from these options. So let's say we want to withdraw USDT. After choosing the cryptocurrency, we're gonna have to choose the network that we want to send the cryptocurrency on. Now, the network is more of a bridge that picks up your cryptocurrency from one wallet address to another address. So you're gonna have to ensure that you have the correct bridge, because once you pick the network, this network will be the same network that you use to receive the cryptocurrency. So once you go to your cryptocurrency and you want to receive an account, you're going to look for a network under the cryptocurrency. You're going to choose the cryptocurrency, then you're going to pick the same network that you want to use to send, and it's going to give you an address, and you're going to paste that address here where it says withdrawal address. If you'd like, you can add a nickname for it, and you're going to click on add withdrawal address, and just like that, you should be able to add your withdrawal address to Kraken. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.